Hello. This is a very quick video just to dispel a very common misconception that I'm seeing a lot in social media and so on regarding de-index projects on itch.io. I'm seeing many people making this mistake, and I made this mistake, which is thinking a project is de-indexed when it's not. As you probably know, if you at all care about itch, there's a lot of stuff going on. I'm not gonna talk about any of that. This is a very straight and narrow video. I'm just gonna talk about this one thing. So let's say I search for a game I made called Strange Winds, and it doesn't show up over here. Many people are seeing this and are going, this game has been de-indexed. That is not the case. Over here, when I search for it, you can see here is my project. Website's loading slowly, but anyway. Here's my project. If you can find it when you press enter on search, like if it's here, then it has not been de-indexed. And yet it did not show up when I searched over here. This is normal, because this autocomplete only pulls from the most popular projects or projects which are otherwise featured. Okay? This developer update, which I linked, explains how the autocomplete search system works, but essentially it does not use an algorithm. It is not customized, and for performance reasons they only index top projects. For example, Project Silverfish. When I type it up here, it shows up because this game is quite popular. It has recently come out in early access. But I remember, anecdotally, I want to say a few weeks ago or 2 months ago maybe, it was not showing up because it was very new, or maybe because it just hadn't grown as much in this platform specifically. So when I typed, Project Silverfish, it would not show up here. This does not mean that it was delisted, because once you press enter, here it is. If you search for a project and it's not here, then it might be delisted. It might still be not. There are other reasons why a project would not show up here. For example, if it's an adult project and you go to settings, you need to be logged in and you need to enable mature content in order to see it. Even the ones which are not delisted. But yeah, this is all I wanted to say. A very quick video. There's a lot more to be said about itch. If you know, you know. But this video is not the place for that. This is just clearing up misconceptions about the autocomplete system. Also, one last thing. I am not affiliated with itch, so do not contact me for tech support. I'm only a long-time user who has made this mistake before and would like to see it be repeated less often. For example, Last Call, a game which, not Last Call BBS, Last Call, a game which for some time, even in the press, was mistakenly reported to have been delisted. Here it is. It is not delisted. I'm not saying, obviously, that games aren't being delisted. Plenty of games have been delisted, as you probably know. But that's not the topic of this video. Okay? Thank you. Stay safe.